You're gonna love cinnamon roll cake. This is kind of a combination between just a regular cake and a breakfast cake or coffee cake. It tastes like a cinnamon roll in cake form. It is absolutely delicious.
Start off with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. Just whisk those together and then set the dry ingredients aside. Add a half of a cup of unsalted butter that's been melted to a large bowl with 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Then I'm going to stir or whisk in 2 large eggs and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a cup of milk. Then you're going to mix in those dry ingredients. You can use a whisk, you can use a hand mixer, whatever you like. Once you have that cake, you're going to just put it into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that's been sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. Then we're going to mix a cup of unsalted butter with a cup of brown sugar. Make sure to pack it. 2 tablespoons of flour and a tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix that together. You'll want to use a hand mixer for this. It's nice and smooth like this, and it's almost like a cinnamon butter texture. And you're going to drop spoonfuls all over the top of that cake. Use a butter knife or an offset spatula to swirl them around. It's going to make a nice cinnamony cake. You're going to bake that until it's golden brown, and then make your icing with 2 cups of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk, depending on what kind of milk you're using. And then you're going to pour that all over the cake.
See how easy it was to make the cake? Making it from scratch just makes a difference. It's so fluffy and soft and sweet. This would be great for breakfast or brunch with some coffee, or I could see eating it as dessert too. If you don't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and let me know what other cake recipes you want to see, and keep watching for even more desserts.